What's up, fellow traders? So how'd you guys do? Did they shake you out, or did you hold on to your shares? Did you add down there at the bottom? I'm sure glad I picked up that full position on Alcoa. Kind of made it a little nicer today. Still got my SSO. I did a little bit of trading on it today. I still got my full position though at the close. I cleared my Schwab at the high today, and I cleared my dry shifts at the high today. That's kind of my hedging. It's kind of like shorting your own money. That way you're not at risk. Still got my SSO. Still got my Alcoa. See what I'm saying? So if the market pulls back tomorrow, I'm not taking such a big hit. If it goes up, I'm still riding up. You know, as far as the market goes, I'm really happy to see us close above that 6,900 on the Dow. And I was really shooting for above 715 on the S&P, and we got it. You know, this is what I call reversal day number 2. The first one was on 2/24. We went up 3.3% on the Dow and 4% on the S&P. See, today we blew that away. That's what we want. I'm marking this down now as reversal day number 2. We got a bigger percentage run and more volume today. That's what we're looking for. And so tomorrow we need a follow-through day. We need to get this thing up one more good run tomorrow. And let's get above 7,000 on the Dow, and let's see how close we can get to that 741 on the S&P. You know, let's hope this has some legs. Let's hope that was a short-term bottom, and hopefully we can move up from here now and get this bounce, get this test. I know you guys probably read a lot of news and watch a lot of this commentary like I do, but I hope you're seeing now everybody's calling for this bounce off 10,000 now, see? And this bounce off 950 on the S&P. You didn't hear that last week when everybody was screaming 4,000 on the Dow, you know, 600 on the S&P. You know, this is what we like. You know, it was rough for me too. I was at that point, like I said, we were at key levels where I wasn't going to add no more. You know, the bottom could have just kept going down. That's what they can do. That's what they like to do. You know, they like to keep us down. They being the man, the market makers, the government, everybody. They don't want you to make a lot of money, and that's why we have these shakeouts. Now see how we're above this 715 now? See how we had like a 5-day shakeout there below 700. If we hold this, that's definitely our short-term bottom. Could be our bottom. We could bounce off 10,000, come back down to 9,000, and find support. I know that sounds amazing with us being down here under 7,000, but that's what the market is. It is amazing. You know, no one knows which way this is going to go, and it's really nice to see it's heading our way now. We got to be real careful around 8,000. I know that's a good clip away, but up 6% today. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if we had an up 10% day coming. Still looking for that 50% run off that bottom there, which brings us right up around 10,000. 980 to 1,000 on the S&P. You know, so pat yourself on the back if you hung in there. Pat yourself on the back if you're down there green on your trades during this 4-week slide. Me, I took a little loss on Schwab. Not too bad though. 1255 to 1330-ish. No problem. I'm done with Schwab. I overstayed my welcome, like I said. And in the green on my SSO trade. And you know, took a little loss on Disney too, but that's okay. You know, I moved into my SSO for more legs. Like I said, let's watch this race to 20. You know, my bet SSO will be there first. Good luck.